Well, fine. Good evening, everyone. This is Patricia, and I am traveling for history. I'm at the White River Junction rest stop in Vermont. And this is an eco garden. They use wastewater from here to in the toilets to flush. Whenever I'm down this way, I love to stop and look at the plants. Feel free to pause to read whatever you need to read. Bubbled. Toil and trouble, cauldron burn, cauldron bubble. I can't remember the full thing, but you know, it's almost Halloween. It's October 29, Friday. If you want to see my pictures, I'm on Instagram, Traveling for History, or Facebook, Traveling for History. You can also find me under hashtag Traveling for History 101 on Instagram. You really see it bubbling down there, can't you now? Hydroponics. Very cool. All right. That's a quick little video. Please enjoy. Bye.